Landlords, are you looking to get your tenants pre-approved? The horror stories that you hear in this market today is because you're not screening out your tenants. 5 simple steps to making sure that you qualify your tenant. Step number 1, a residential rental application. It's very imperative that you get your tenants to fill it out. If you don't have one, you can find it on the AREA website. Just go online, go to area.ca, and you can pull up that form from there. Step 2, employment letter. It's imperative to make sure that your tenants give you a reference from an employer that states that they are in good standing, how long they've been with the company, how much they earn, and are they still working and verified to be working with that company. You need to make sure that your tenants can afford the rent that you're asking for. Step 3, a credit report. If they don't have one, red flag automatically. Stay far away from that. They need a good credit report. 680 or above to me is good or very good. And I would consider working with tenants that have very good credit. If they don't, time to really cut that umbilical cord. Step 4, a reference letter. A friend, a colleague, somebody that can vouch for that person is imperative. Make the call, speak to somebody who knows the people that are moving into that property. Step 5, where are they currently coming from? Are they currently owning a property that they've sold, that they're looking for a temporary place, maybe for a year or 2? If so, can you do the background checks to make sure that they own that property? There are ways and essential ways of doing that. Talk to your local real estate agent for that information. And if they are coming from another rental property, is there a landlord that you can speak to verify and vouch that these tenants are in good standings and they are leaving the property that they're coming from in a very good, clean, and broom-swept condition? Those are 5 simple steps that you guys should be following if you're in the process of approving your tenants. Thanks.